Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to generate free AI images without any credit card or without paying any kind of money. All you need is a Microsoft account, like an Outlook account. You can quickly register it, and you can go to this particular website, designer.microsoft.com/design, and here you would see something like this. Here you can generate free AI images. Like I can do whatever I want. So here it is telling me like an Instagram post about my cosmetic product launch. You can do that. I'm mostly active on YouTube, so I will do something like generate YouTube thumbnail about how to integrate JavaScript in web app. Now I'm not telling you that the AI generated images would be extremely accurate. You have to take it with a pinch of salt, but they should be fine. Like if you are like me, who doesn't know how to design thumbnails and who doesn't have the time to generate thumbnails, you can use something like this. There is one more thing which I want to show you later on. So here it will automatically generate thumbnail for us, and here you can see we get a thumbnail something like this. Now suppose I want to tell it, if you already have an image of JavaScript, okay, so here you can add it from your own device as well. Just click on add media, select from your device or select from your phone. I have selected a lot of images from my device. So once you select an image from your device, it is automatically, for the second time, it is available in my media. Currently I don't have any proper images in my device, so I'll just select from my media. For you, my media might be empty because you haven't, so for you, just select it from your device. Okay, and here you can see there are a lot of images. I'll just select this particular image. It keeps track of all the images which I have added. I'll just click on select, and here you can see. Now if I click on generate, we tell us that okay, use this particular thumbnail while generating a thumbnail for YouTube. So here you can see something like this. Now you might be saying, so what, this is pretty simple. Now you can actually generate proper images as well. So if I click on generate image, here you can see it is powered by DALL-E, and we can generate something like this. So I think there is this, I'm not really sure what this boost is for. Maybe we can generate only 15 images per day, something like that, but even 15 images per day is pretty good, I think. So I will say something like shocked human face. If you want a proper AI image, you can use this particular thing. Now it will use DALL-E to generate particular images. So let's see, and this is 14. Let's see if it goes to 13 or not, because I have been using this tool for the past 6 months, and like I didn't have to pay anything, or I didn't ran into restrictions. But yeah, here you can see we get all these images, and if I select this particular image, and I'll just remove this, and now I want to generate a YouTube thumbnail. If I don't want to generate anything, I'll just click on generate. If you want, you can give it some command, but here you can see, and now I can just, if you want, you can customize the design as well. And if I want to just download, I can just click on download, and it will download it to your device. So yeah, that's it. Like I don't think a lot of people know about this, but yeah, instead of paying, instead of using these paid services, you can use something like this. So here you can see it did go down to 13, but at least 15 images per day I think is fine according to me. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.